Welcome to the personal property tour for Lodge 5, Cairnsmill Caravan Park in St Andrews. This is a beautiful 2-bedroom, 2-bathroom, open plan living space. You've got wraparound decking, you've got fantastic outside space as well in regards to your own private garden. This is a beautiful lodge in a great location. I'm just going to flip the camera and take you on. So instantly you can see it's a really nice sized lodge. You've got that wraparound decking as I mentioned. It's in a great location. You've got your off-street parking as well to the front of the lodge, and you have some fabulous outside space. But I love the decked area, so much in regards to lifestyle entertaining here. I'm going to just take you on the tour. So we're going to head in, but just the view from the deck as well, isn't that lovely? Great outside space, isn't it? So we're going to head in and immediately come into the entrance hallway. You can see how bright and spacious it is. Really welcoming. And you have this storage area here as well, so it's great for offloading your boots and shoes if you've been down the beach. Then come into the open hallway, and then straight ahead we've got bedroom number 1. So it's 2 great sized double rooms in the property. Instantly you can see how lovely the finish is. I love the sliding wardrobes as well. So the glass fronted, but a beautiful pattern on them too. Really nice sized double room. You've got the high ceilings as well, which makes it even more spacious. And then we go back out into the hallway. We go into then the master bedroom. Isn't that wonderful? All the window and natural light that's coming in here. And this is a king size bed, lots of space. You've got a divide wall there too. And I'll show you just what's behind there in a second. You've also got all this beautiful storage. So you've got the triple wardrobe here again with the same finish. So sliding wardrobes. Isn't that lovely? It's a great space. I'll just show you from this angle. Really is nice. And then from here, behind the divide wall, a little surprise, you've got your own ensuite shower room. So this is fantastic. You've got the Velux window up here too, so lots of natural light coming in. You've got the floating vanity wash hand basin, which I think is wonderful. Great tile finish. You've got a really nice sized walk-in shower as well. So it's thermostatic control. You've got your rainfall shower head, lovely and bright, plenty of space for storage as you can see. And the bonus with this as well is actually you've got a separate WC. So isn't that great that that's a separate closet in there too. Again, you've got the window, so it's nice and bright and light. Stylishly finished as well. Really is lovely. It's got very much a boutique feel about it, hasn't it? So that's bedroom number 2. And when we come out of here, straight ahead, you have the family bathroom. So again, you've got your wash hand basin, your WC, you have a bath here too, so you're catering for everyone. You've got your thermostatic control and your rainfall shower head again. Lovely and bright. Back into the hallway, you also have an additional cupboard here, so plenty of storage here too. Then we walk into the open plan lounge, living, dining space. Isn't that lovely? So you've got the wraparound windows, lots of natural light coming in here. It's a great space, isn't it? If I just come over here and give you a flavour for on this side, isn't that lovely? You have your kitchen area, so the kitchen is beautifully detailed as well. Lovely social space. You've got a nice big window here too, and you've got the Velux, so it makes it seem really bright and airy. You've got your integrated appliances, so you've got your oven, your hob and your extractor. Plenty of space for your fridge, freezer. You've got a dishwasher, you've got an integrated washing machine. Great bar area. You could put a couple of stools here as well if you wish. You've got this fabulous dining space here. So such a great dining space, and that's quite a big table as you can see. You've got the sliding patio doors, take you out to the patio. So again, if you're entertaining, you're here, you're entertaining, you've got the doors open, it's a beautiful sunny day. Isn't it wonderful? Just beautiful. Now we're going to head out and have a look at the outside. The outside space is fantastic. So we saw that wraparound decking as soon as we arrived, and it goes all the way around as you would expect. But again, you've got these beautiful views. All I can hear is the birds chirping. It's lovely. So you've got this really large entertaining patio space, which I think is wonderful. And again, you've got the double doors at the lounge area and also at the dining area for coming out. But the bonus with this one, as well as having this additional seating area, is you have your own private garden. Isn't that wonderful? So you have this great outside space, lots of colour, really low maintenance, beautifully landscaped. If I walk up to the top here, you can just see how far it goes along. and it stretches the whole width and more of the lodge. But as well as having this space, you've got another little gate down here, and you've got even more garden. Just keeps on giving. So this is fantastic as well. So again, you've got a great laundry space here. So if you have been to the beach all day, you've been golfing, plenty of space to dry things off. And it goes all the way around the garden. You then have this raised vegetable plot area here too, which is fantastic. So you can certainly grow your own. And then you have this great summer house too, or workshop. So much on offer. Really enclosed space as well. So it's great if you've got young children. Perhaps you have a dog here that's wanting to enjoy the outdoors with you. They will certainly be safe and secure in here. But isn't that a wonderful garden? Just such a great space. Just going to let you see the full extent of it again. But even when you're sitting in on that dining area, just looking out, it's fabulous, isn't it? Really, really beautiful. And you've got all of this gorgeous outside space. So, to recap, this is Lodge 5, Cairnsmill Caravan Park. It's a beautiful 2-bedroom, 2-bathroom, open plan living space. It's boutiquey inside. It's just fabulous. You've got this great wraparound decking, lovely social space, enclosed gardens times 2. You've got that great workshop summer house area as well. But actually the location. So actually on site you have a couple of parks, you have a gym, you have a bar, you have a shop, you have a soft play area. You can actually book and do fly fishing. It's in a great location. You're a mile, you're into St Andrews. It offers you everything. So you've got the Royal and Ancient Golf there as well. You've got the Old Horse Hotel. Play great golf. Go to the Jigger Inn if you fancy a nice bit of lunch, some cold drinks. But as well as that, you've got the East Sands Beach, which is beautiful. And overlooking East Sands Beach as well, you've got a fantastic seafood restaurant. Highly recommend it. I've tried it myself. So much on offer here. You've got lots of walks. You're on the Fife Coastal Path. It really does offer a great lifestyle. Cycling, swimming, cold water swimming. It just has everything to offer you. Golf, sports, leisure, city centre lifestyle, but actually really quaint and quiet where you are as well here. This is Personal Property Tour. This property is on the market with ourselves at the moment for offers over £150,000. If it's of interest to you, feel free to message me directly. Likewise, you can contact the team on 01334 654 221. It's Perry from Fife Properties TV. Feeling quite relaxed actually. What a beautiful spot. Take care. Bye bye.